The lock nut is one of two flanges that secure the grinding wheels to your grinder. It has a 5/8 inch threaded hole so it can be secured to the grinder's spindle. One side has a 7/8 inch hub for attaching standard grinding wheels to the grinder. The other side is flat and can be used to secure thin cutting discs or diamond wheels. The hub on the lock nut can wear over time, causing the grinding wheel to wobble. Replacing the lock nut is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the flange nut from the grinder. I'll depress the lock button and then rotate the grinding wheel by hand until the lock button engages. Now I can use the wrench to remove the flange nut. The lock nut can be installed one of two ways depending on the type of grinding wheel you're using. If you're using a standard grinding wheel, you first place it on the inner flange and then use the side of the locking flange that has the hub. Place the hub against the grinding wheel and that will clamp the grinding wheel securely. If you're using a thinner wheel, such as a diamond cutting wheel or a cutting disc, place the wheel onto the inner flange and then use the side of the locking flange that's flat. Once the nut's in place, I'll tighten it with the wrench. And that's how easy it is to replace the lock nut on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.